What fun activities do you love to do?
Hi, Lisa. How are you today?
I am good, June. Thank you. How about you?
I am great today. Thanks. Anyway, what are you doing recently?
I am very busy. I have a lot of things to do at the moment.
Oh, really? Like what?
You know, I want to get a good score in math, so I am studying almost every day.
What an amazing effort, Lisa. I am sure you will get a good score.
Yeah, I hope. How about you? What are you up to?
Because I want to join the national basketball team. I play it almost every single day.
When do you usually practice?
I like to practice in the morning and afternoon. Because it's not that hot.
Can I join you sometime? I think I need to refresh my mind or else I will get dizzy.
Sure. It's going to be fun and exciting. When will you join?
I am not sure. Let's see if tomorrow is free. I will let you know.
Okay. I will be really happy if you can come and watch my game.
What other fun activities do you love doing?
I love to go camping near the river with my friends.
It sounds really interesting and fun.
Yes, it is. Because we can go swimming and fishing. And what fun activities do you love to do?
I don't know. I study all day long.
Poor you. You have to join us sometime. Doing some fun activities can make us happier and healthier. Also, if I am not mistaken, it can make us smarter as well.
Really? I have no idea about it.
Yeah, trust me.
All right, I'll join you this weekend. I'll see you there.
All right then. I'll see you next time.
See you, June.